Steve McLaren arrival, McLaren's arrival now. So just basically hand over the running at the football team.
Watch the man. Well, I plan up a whole heap of things, but guess what? Now go happen. Cause what? Man a plan, gotta wipe them out, you see? Yeah. I see him, so the boy Donald Trump and the girl, we say she a Jamaican and she black. See him, so they say him go continue to run America, continue to run the United States. I pity them, I know. Say what? Man a plan, gotta wipe out them bums, yo. Not even worry about them, because guess what? They must stand up on their last leg. They soon broke off like a table. Watch out. See me? I'm driving on the wrong side of the road. Watch. Follow them with the whole school people them. Our church people them. See them? See car just passing them. I saw them run with people life out here. All day, every day. Them not care about nothing. Watch out. The fake police officer with them flashing light run to the same thing on the next side of the road. And the whole car. The whole of them want to be something that they're not. They want to be important. I saw the whole of them stay. Watch out. Everybody can't just wait. Can't wait. Because waiting is a crime. In this despicable place. Welcome to Jamaica, where there's no peace, no justice, no water, no electricity, no humanity, no money, no love, and worst of all, no fucking sense. And no sense. See them there? Not a sense them have. They're rather dead. They don't want to live, them rather dead. It's like a killing culture. They turn themselves into a killing culture. Where if you're not dead, you're not saying nothing. Tell you, man. Yes. See without the fantasy. Pretty park, Kashi Park. These niggas is fucking fiending for customer. Look at that shit. Hey, what up, mommy? Go, mommy, go. Go, mommy, go on YouTube, go. That nigga bent up in the back there, right? flood out. Jamaica flood out. Mash up. Yes, done out. Got the GLE. Really. All liberate and parasite, the whole of them for day tonight. Where the boy there? Where the boy there? Where the boy there? Where there? Don't play with me. Oh. No man, Flatbridge. Flatbridge, out here in Flatbridge, hold up. Out here in Flatbridge. See the road? See the river right there? See the Flatbridge up there? That's where I'm parked at right now. Yo, Jamaica nice, man. Look at the forest. Look at that huge tree. Looking majestic. Yeah, man, up in the heights. The heights. The heights of the heavens. About to go to Ochi. If I had another day, I'd have another $1. To the river. The traffic is out here in Flatbridge moving, you know what I mean? On the A1 freeway. Out here in Spanish Town. JA. Yeah. Give me that money, it's payday, Yeah. Up in JA. Give me that money, it's payday. Give me that money, it's payday. Yeah. That's what I don't say. Yeah. People dead. That's what Bunty say. Zaga, zay. That's what Moses say. That's what Beanie say. Beanie Siegel used to clap the eagle. Now he retired. Nigga, you fired for not making enough noise. Newly hired. I replied for you. For hire. Don't get fired. I got the fire. Got the fire up in my, and I'm not moving it. Unless you causing it. Pausing it. Pause it. Don't play with me. on Brownstown Road, get down the road. Turn left on Brownstown Road, get down the road. Turn left on Brownstown Road, get down the road. Across the mountain. Get that little water the mountain. Turn left on Brownstown Road, get down the road. Turn left on Brownstown Road, get down the road. Streets, intelligence. See the wisdom. Rastafari. That's it. Yeah, man. See it. See it. The streets. It is good. That's the one to the north. Rain. Dangerous, you know?
1,000 feet. Turn left. Turn left.